If you already been in the past series and the past lessons, you already know I like to play a game, kind of like chorus, but not really. First thing you're gonna do is load the loop, go to loops, and you're gonna go to roll call. I'm gonna set roll call on pad 5. Go to my 808s, and we're gonna go to the overused 808, and that's gonna be on pad 1. And then after that, we're gonna go to snares and claps. And let's go with, of course, on pad 2. And you're gonna scroll to the hi-hats, and you're gonna select the clear one, which is the first one, pad 3. We're gonna be working with 4. Put the same hi-hat on pad 4, and you can easily do that by press copy, and then you press the screen right here, it's gonna highlight red, and then you're gonna press this button here, it's gonna highlight red again, you press do it. Let's go ahead and get it started. The BPM is 85. I'm gonna play for the full sequence of the loop. After that, I'm gonna turn it to you. It's gonna be dry, but it's your turn to kick it, and then I'm gonna go back. But you also can play along with me too as well. Let's get it. That's you right there. Gotta go right there. Back to me, like. You right there. That's you right there. That's you right there. 'Cause you killing it. And that's you right here. Hi-hats. One extra hi-hat. We ain't even add the second hi-hat. Second hi coming next. Get ready. That heat, hey, bring that heat, hey, bring that heat, hey, I say it's back to me, hey. Sure, time to freestyle, get it till you can't get it, Try this one out. Go ahead. Tap, tap, boom, 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 tap, tap. I'm gonna add some hi-hats. Good job. I hope you're following along. You practice that, you're gonna be right there, right next to me, if not better. I believe in you. I appreciate y'all. On to the next. Peace.